Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, what do you think these are? They're green, they're leaves, they grow in my front yard. Take one of these. They have a pungent, bitterish, tannin kind of flavor to them. That's something I've grown accustomed to. I can eat it because I like it, to tell you the truth. But these are neem leaves. Neem leaves. N-E-E-M. And they have so many health benefits. It's just amazing. They grow in Asia and India, especially Florida, Caribbean, South America. It's a huge tree if you let it grow that tall. I have a small one because I keep it in a pot because I don't need it 40 feet tall. And it's been around for about 5,000 years. It's used a lot in Ayurvedic medicine in India. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory. If you have arthritis, swelling, pain, and inflammation in general going on, it's a great anti-inflammatory. It's also good for gastric ulcers and for getting rid of the bacteria and the inflammation around gastric ulcers. It can be made into a gargle, and you can boil it, make it into a tea, and it's really good for sore throats. So if you have a sore throat, highly recommend making some tea with this and gargling with that. It's great for oral health, for bleeding gums, gingivitis, bad breath in general, even thrush, plaques. Yeah, it can be made into a toothpaste. Sometimes I take my own homemade toothpaste, which is just coconut oil and baking soda and a little bit of flavoring, of natural flavoring, and then grinding up some of the neem leaves and putting that in there also, and it's really good for a natural way to keep your oral health going. It helps with the malaria and the malaria microbe, and there's not too many things that actually help with that also. It's antibacterial, it's anti-fungal, and it helps to prevent infections in general, so it can also help with preventing colds and flus, and it lowers fevers if you have one of the colds and flus going on. It's great for fungus in general, like even for athlete's foot and ringworm. It can be applied to the skin and can kill off those fungi. It's also, like I said, an antiviral and can help in some ways with herpes too. It's great for insect bites, and you can take the paste, you can make a paste with it and put it on dab it on your skin for the insect bites, and the pain will go away. And it also helps in a great way because the oil can be extracted from this, and it can be used as a wonderful way to treat your whole house for insects. And I use that a lot myself because I don't like using nasty chemicals around the house. And this way, if you have ants coming in, or if you have, even roaches or something like that, you can even buy it in the section of your garden center, of your home center, and the neem oil. And it's a natural insecticide. And it can be diluted down and used even on plants, and if you have aphids or something like that going on. It can be made into an eye wash that the tea you can use for tired eyes and tired, itchy eyes. It's also lowers blood sugar. Those people who are diabetic, I had a man from Florida who said, every day I get up and I go out to my neem tree and I take 12 of these leaves and I eat them, and that keeps my blood sugar under control, which is a great thing. I think it's really great. Also, it's great for digestion. It keeps down the bad bacteria in our GI tract and keeps it under control. It can be made into a paste and used for acne. If you have, acne going on, you have pimples, you make this into a paste and then dab it on your pimples, and really good for that also. It's an immune booster if you want to pick up your immune system. It's a powerful antioxidant, and so it helps with even cancer, cardiovascular disease, strokes, and helps our immune system to work better to prevent these types of problems. It also helps with chickenpox and certain things like that, and it can help with burns. If you put it on burns, it'll help with that, and headaches. It can help get rid of headaches. And make a tea with this. You take 12 of these leaves, and you can either dried or fresh, and put it in a cup of water, and pour in some hot water and let it steep for about 15 minutes, and then drink that. It has not very much flavor at all, and it has no side effects, which is a great thing. And the oil can also be used in amazing ways to keep our skin young and bright and great looking. It can help with dandruff and all kinds of wrinkles and amazing things. So try some Neem. It'll do your body good. You will see great things happen. I love you.